A plastic pipe welding set is an essential toolkit used to join plastic pipes seamlessly and securely, creating leak-proof connections. The set typically includes a heating element, various pipe dies, clamps, and often a thermometer for precision. The process works by heating both ends of the plastic pipes, melting the surface layers to a soft state. Once they reach the ideal temperature, the pipes are pressed together, forming a single, strong joint as the material cools and solidifies. This technique is especially useful for installing water systems, gas lines, and drainage systems, as it ensures durable and long-lasting connections without the need for extra adhesives or sealants. What makes a plastic pipe welding set both fun and practical is how it transforms the task of joining pipes into a simple, almost scientific process. For professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, mastering pipe welding can feel like unlocking the secrets of molecular bonding, as you're literally melting plastic to form a bond as strong as the material itself. It's also highly satisfying. There's something deeply rewarding about creating neat, clean, and perfectly aligned pipe joints that work flawlessly. With the right set, even complex installations become a breeze, making it an indispensable tool for any plumbing, construction, or maintenance project.